everyone, it's Susan here with a short video. So I wanted to share with you how to remove stretch marks after childbirth. So this is going to be a really quick video, but if you're struggling with how to remove stretch marks fast or how to find the best stretch mark cream, I hope this helps. So after my child was born a few years ago, I struggled with how to get rid of stretch marks without any type of lasers or expensive processes. So I tried a ton of creams to overcome the problem, but honestly, whatever I tried didn't seem to work. I remember feeling depressed and really disgusted with myself. I'm sure you might be able to relate to that. So to keep this short, 6 months ago, a friend of mine recommended trying something that had worked for her in the past. So I thought, what do I have to lose? So I gave it a try, and since then, things have been different. And of course, there's an odd challenge, but overall, things are a lot better now. I wanted to start making videos on YouTube to share what worked for me, but everything that helped me can be found in the link in the description below. So it's a little hard to create a video on a subject like this, and that's why I want to keep it short. I really hope that what I've shared can help you as much as it helped me.